Okay guys, so in this video we're going to analyze how realistic it is to be able to get in here using filters like the YouTubers say, and then get a good massive 10x exit, which is what a lot of YouTubers are saying that you could actually do. And they have this funky little application called Nova where they put a bunch of buttons here and then they can just buy really fast without even looking at the fundamentals to see if this project's are real projects with real people working in them, where they're just rugs where people are just going to scam you to death. So basically, we're going to see how realistic that strategy is, and hopefully that way I'll save you time and money so you don't need to do this on yourself, and you can have realistic expectations from it. So from here, you guys are going to see that I have with at least one social, no mint, blacklist, burnt, top 5, top 10 holders, dev hasn't sold yet, dev sell. So I prefer the ones that dev hasn't sold yet, because the ones where the dev sells immediately, for me, that's a huge red flag. I don't think it's a good idea. And here you guys can see there's a ton of copycats, scammers, LLM, Alina AI. It's pathetic, honestly. Like, how pathetic is that? And they're even graduating and they're just launched. So in my head, I think it would be great if there was some type of AI tool where we could see the patterns of all these tokens and just be able to see the patterns for it. Because right now, there's not much you can tell from looking at this dumb little chart. From a circle and some letters, you can't really make an investment decision like, oh, a picture and a letter. No way you can make a good informed decision based on that. Like, all the AI ones that are coming out right now, they're mostly scammy, valueless coins that really like. This one, it's amazing. The dev hasn't sold anymore me at all yet. That's great. It's amazing. So there's snipers still holding, which is good. And it seems that it wants to go up, but there's more buyers than seller, which is great. Now let's take a look at the socials and see how legit is this. Alina AI prediction all You're 24/7 crypto insider, pattern recognition and steroids. Stop reacting, start predicting. Detected by Alina's LM solved. Next post will be the contract after 15 minutes ago. I wonder how lit this is. Okay, so this looks like if it were real, it looks like a good opportunity. Get insights like never before. How does it work? AI powered alpha engine, one intelligence layer for all market data. Yeah, that sounds really nice, but is it real? Does it even work? Trade across multiple blockchains with ease, blah blah blah. Make lightning fast trades from a unified trading panel. All quality, not quantity. That sounds great, but get insight like never before. The number of tokens you can increase by bots, but the score will show you the real quality of the community. So, seems sort of feasible. AI-powered alpha engine, millions of signals processed in real time, transforming market noise into pure signals. Okay. Intelligent metrics, one intelligence layer for all market data. We gather and process intelligence signals from literally everywhere, from world economic events to social trends and on-chain movements. That would cost millions of dollars even with AI. Like, unless this guys really have millions of dollars, I don't buy it. What's the sentiment? Oh, it's just a sentiment analysis bot, and they're tricking us to telling us like there's way more data on it. Ooh, no, that's a huge red flag. uh, if you don't know much about AI, you would think this is amazing, but it's really not. So, like 5 lines of code is like super easy to make. Okay, so nah. But the thing is that markets are super gullible, and they just dump just like that. And look at that. That's sold. Dump. Liquidity is low. Trade carefully. It ain't low, it's dead. More sellers than buyers. People are selling for their life. So those YouTubers saying, "Oh, you should get in early and benefit from this stuff." Careful, guys. Careful. I don't think there's any opportunity for here for real. Like, well, there might be, but it's not like, oh yeah, like you're always gonna have amazing opportunity. Like they put it like it's all beautiful, so on and so forth. But you guys saw death right there. That's death. That's financial violence, and that's a murder in finance. That those people who traded this thing got their dollars murdered. So don't think those strategies are bulletproof and they're always working stuff like that. I'm not throwing dirt on those guys, but just saying, be careful, guys. So here we're trying again. This guy's this I'm following this wallet. They're putting their money where their mouth is. They're basically trying the strategy right now. This guy that bought, and it looks like the dev just sold, but it looks like it's rebounding a little bit. And rock probability 100% because apparently this dev has been rocking the living daylight out of a lot of people from a long time ago. Which is why I love GMGN, guys, because you can use BullX, but you're not going to be able to see that unless you're using another tool. And over here, like this feature here is really cool. And yeah, so it says run away. 100%, 100% rug. Be careful. So here we can even analyze the snipers and see what they are up to. So this is the snipers account. As you can see, this guy's crazy. This guy's just throwing money at different crap, different things, hoping it works. A lot of the time, he doesn't even have profit. He only has loss, which is pretty pathetic if you ask me. So there are opportunities to make real money, but it requires a lot of effort, a lot of time, and it's not as the people on YouTube are saying it is. That it's all so easy, so on and so forth. Like, look at this guy, like unrealized profits. It looks like this tool is not even working right now. It's like here you can see all his trades, but unrealized profits. Where's the distribution? So is he still holding? Strange little fellow. It looks like he's profitable, but it's kind of hard to tell because it seems like this is a brand new wallet, and this guy buys like a few coins every day, and he throws at them pennies on a dime. And here the guy, I don't think this is a wallet I want to follow right off the bat because I mean, look at this. Like, where's the profit? $100? BGN AI. It's not enough. Like, I'm not even gonna follow this guy, so I'm out. Goodbye. So he sniped in. That's great. This guy sold everything. Usually the guys that sell are the smartest guys. Let's take a look at his profile. So guy has 48%, 48% of his trades make 2x. And the other 50% make 50 gains, 50% gains. Not bad. What's going on here? Unrealized profits Can't see the profits. Why can't I see your profits, my friend? So I already have this. I'm already following this person. And this is the profit column. As you guys can see, this guy trades like a madman, a ton of coins. He just drops money on every one of these coins and hopes and prays they go to the moon. And it's a really weird strategy, honestly. I believe this guy is probably doing something else, but I'm not even gonna comment on that. And I'm still interested though. But well, guys, I hope you guys got some value from this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys. That's why I do all this hard work, so you guys can benefit without having to spend money, without having to lose money and time, guys. So I do it so you can learn from my mistakes. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.